I'm just in a video making mood tonight, I guess. So this is my back door right here. Sorry, I can't zoom out any. It's my back door. This window I would like to be able to open. Like maybe like just the bottom, like tilt out a little bit, you know, open, you know, that much. So not like come all the way off or nothing, but just kind of tilt out the bottom. So I wonder if there's a kit you can buy for that. Oh, sorry. It is so nice out tonight. So anyway, that window right there, I want to tilt out. So, if you got any ideas, holla. Holla! Hey gang. So, bus repairs. So, I went to Dripping Springs, remember, and I got stuck on the way back in Fredericksburg because the bus wouldn't start. So, there's a pattern. So, when like the bus has been sitting overnight or whatever, first thing in the morning it starts right up. Today started right up, drove to the laundromat, did my laundry, which was about an hour and 15 minutes, somewhere around there. Come out to start the bus to leave. I thought it wasn't going to start, but then it did. Ran for about 30 seconds, died. Tried to start it again and won't start. So the pattern seems to be that when the engine's hot, like if I've been driving around and I shut it off, it won't start again. But if it's been sitting for overnight or whatever, then starts right up. So if you have any ideas, let me know. It's a 6.5 liter diesel GMC Vandura 3500. Okay? Ciao, babies. Okay, gang, I'm getting pulled back to my spot across from Dollar General so the guy can work on it. Jeez Louise. Alrighty, gang, so looks like I'm spending my day off parked right here in my parking spot in Marfa, Texas. Instead of going up the mountain, there's my store over there, my Dollar General. Yeah. Anyway, so thinking maybe it's a bad fuel pump, even though I just got a new fuel pump last month. It's been about a month, I guess. So we're changing it out and gonna see what happens. If you have any other ideas, let me know.